In this video tutorial, we will going to learn how to create partition of our hard disk in the computer. To make a partition of our hard disk in the computer, we open Run by pressing the window R using our keyboard, and then we will going to type disk mgmt.msc or disk management, and then click OK. So from here, you will going to notice that we have two partitions, the local C and the local D. So in the disk management window, we can right click on local C and then click shrink volume. So after it's done querying the shrink space, so from here you will going to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB size. So I will just retain this value 80,662 megabytes, so it's approximately 80 gigabytes, and then I'll click shrink. So we will just wait for a couple of seconds so that a new partition will be created with a size 80 gigabytes. So we have now an allocated disk that we can create the partition. So I'll click new, I'll right click on this partition and then click new simple volume. And then from here in the new simple volume wizard, we'll just click next, and then the size will be retained. This is next, and then the assigned letter for the drive will be F, and then click next, and then format this volume with the following settings. We'll just going to retain the default settings, and then I'll click next and then click finish. Now we'll just wait for a new partition to be created, and then automatically there will be a new volume created with the letter F. And if we click open folder to view files, we can have the drive local disk F created in our computer. So if we want to check whether you have the 3 local disks in your computer, we click the start button, go to computer, then from here we have local disk C, we have local D, and then the new created partition, which is the local F. If we want to rename the label of this partition, we can have right click and then click rename, and then we can have backup. Back up to. Then press enter and then click continue. So from here, your new created partition local F will have a name backup to. So that is how we create a partition of our hard disk in the computer by opening the disk management. To open it, we hold the window key and then press R and then type the disk mgmt.msc and then click OK.